morning, class 9. Myself, Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, welcoming you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary. Students, in the last video that was uploaded was related to a new lesson entitled Packing. As you know that Packing is a humorous story taken from the novel Three Men in a Boat by a well-known humorous writer Jerome K. Jerome. It is about the confusion and mess caused by packing because of inexperienced persons. The author tells us in a way as to what happens when three friends pack their luggage when they decide to go for a holiday. The students, the author, who is the narrator himself, Jerome, took pride in his ability to pack well. He feels very free and proud of his packing style. That is why he told his friends, Jerome and Harris, to leave the packing entirely to him. He told his other two friends to sit in very comfortable mood and let the packing be done by him. Hearing this, George and Harris decided to sit leisurely and watch the author do the packing. The author had initially thought that he would just be guiding and supervising his friends while they would do the packing. It was the narrator's desire, but it was not going to be fruitful. He got irritated when he had to do the packing by himself. When he started packing, the author realized that it would make him or take him more time than he had thought. Packing was going to take more time. At last, the author finished packing of the bag, sat on it and strapped it. Students, but Harris pointed out that he had not kept the boots in the bag. The author opened the bag and packed the boots in, and what that Harris had not told him before. He was expecting any suggestion at right time by his friend, but it was not done. When the packing was done, the point was now just brought to light by Harris. It was a matter of great confusion and surprise. As he was about to close the bag, he felt that he had probably not packed his toothbrush. This confusion was generated by the narrator himself. He turned the bag inside out but couldn't find his toothbrush. Then he eventually started put everything inside the bag one by one and soon found the toothbrush inside a boot. When he was repacking, only for a toothbrush that was found inside a boot. After that, George asked him to check if the soap was in the bag, but the author didn't bother. Then he found that by oversight he had packed his spectacles in the bag. He had to reopen the bag again, and the bag was finally shut at around 5 p.m. completely packed. It was the expected time by them. But after that, the hampers had to be packed. George and Harris offered to do the rest of the packing as they thought that the author might take the whole night. It was also a kind of interference by them. The author agreed and sat down. He looked at the piles of plates and cups, bottles, jars, stoves, cakes and tomatoes, etc. That needed to be packed and thought that soon there was going to be an exciting scene. His friends started by breaking a cup. Then Harris packed the strawberry jam on the top of tomato. It was crushed and had to be taken out with a teaspoon. The students who find the humorous scene just created and giving comfort and humor to your mind. After making some mistakes, they seem to have become nervous and excited and started stepping on things. They were also unable to find things when they wanted them. They couldn't find the things in very short manner. They got the pie smashed by putting heavy things on top. They scattered salt over everything. They tried to put butter in the kettle, but it would not go in and it would not come out. The way they started packing the things was not proper, and it was not loved by the narrator, one who was watching and monitoring all those things. Thereafter, students, they eventually had to put it down on a chair, but Harry sat on it and the butter stuck on him. What happened after that? Again, they had looked for it everywhere, but they couldn't find it. Ultimately, George found it stuck on the back of Harris. They got it off and finally packed it in a teaspoon. Students, after that, the fourth character of the lesson, Montmorency, appeared. It was a dog, and it added to this whole confusion. They came and sat down on things just when they were about to be packed. This disturbance was created by the dog. The dog started playing the games. He put his legs into the jam and also totally spoiled 3 lemons. However, the packing was finally done at 12:50 and Harry sat on the big hamper hoping that nothing would be found broken the next day. Then what happened in the last of the lesson? The 3 friends went to bed after taking decision about when they should wake up and finally deciding to wake up at 6:30 in the morning. The students, I hope you have understood all the important points of the lesson and you will keep it in mind while answering any question coming from the lesson. I also hope that the humorous scenes of the lesson have given you comfort and peace of mind. Students, please write all the answers in your school homework copy that you have to buy from your school, and ultimately you will just get it checked at the moment. Thank you. Have a nice day.